hackers and crackers and malware. Oh my, the internet is an insecure place. I'm Chris Cook with Security Awareness Incorporated, and I'm going to talk to you about why we need internet security. There are many facets of internet security, and there are many ways you need to protect yourself when using the internet, whether it be browsing on web pages or using email. There are viruses that are out there that can be distributed through websites, that can be distributed through email. Even valid attachments to email can have viruses embedded in them and automatically execute when they open on your computer. So you need antivirus software for that. Over 250 new viruses are discovered each month. When you're browsing web pages, there could be malicious code on the web pages, such as adware, spyware, or even malicious, very bad things like viruses that can go into your computer and delete things or send your passwords or personal information from your computer out to other users. A lot of times people will use phishing through email to try and get you to submit personal information or sensitive information, and they'll use that for the purposes of identity theft. So, why do we need internet security? Anytime you use the internet, you could be at risk in your information, your personal finances, or even your family. So protect yourself and make sure that you know what you're doing on the internet and that you're doing it securely. I'm Chris Cook with Security Awareness Incorporated.